What's going on? So today's episode, we're going to be digging a trench from our electric pole right here over to our cabin. It's about 100 feet. So we got this this trencher, this walk behind trencher that we rented, and it digs a hole a trench that's 36 inches deep, and I don't know how wide it is, but it's the right specs for the power company to come and put the underground service. So this is what we got right here. All right, so we're gonna start right here and go in a straight line all the way up to right there. And like I said, it's about 100 feet. So I don't know how long this trencher is gonna take, but it was easier to do this than dig this by hand. I thought it was gonna be. Alright, so this is my first time doing this, so hopefully it works out alright.
I remember it's got to be 3 feet deep and it's got to be 100 feet long, as my dad was saying earlier. So we do fit the requirements for having power hooked up to our cabin. Just gotta make it diagonal that way.
Yeah, I think
so. My dad was cutting our line, but we did get a little off track over here. You might be able to see it. It does curve this way. Want it where my dad's standing right there. We want it over there. Yeah, this line over here, it's not going to get where we want it. So my dad's gonna have to curve it over to where he's standing. I need to look at the camera when I do this. Over where he's standing so we can get it straight. pushed it in?
All right, we had to go to the store to pick up a shovel because when we digging a trench, we got most of it out, but some of this stuff needs to get out. It ground it up, but it threw a lot back in there, so it's about a 10-foot section we gotta dig up, but the rest of it looks kind of good. It's looking kind of good. Fairly straight, except for that one little crooked section up there. It should be all right though. So I'll dig this part out and then that should be it. It should be ready for the power company. Man, this trench is doing me dirty. It's caved in quite a few times, but I'm tired. It seems like every time I get ahead a little bit, get another little cave in. It's about 2 feet right here. The remainder is 3 feet. Everything else is 3 feet, or 3 foot except for this one section. But we'll get it finished. But for right now, I'm gonna take a little break. All right, so we finished the rest of it off camera. We appreciate y'all watching. If y'all would like to follow us as we develop our land, be sure to subscribe. We have a whole lot more to do, a whole lot more videos to come.